This video continues with exponent rules, and we're going to look at negative exponents. If b is any real number other than 0, and n is a natural number, so natural number means a positive whole number. When we talk about a natural number, we mean a positive whole number, or counting number is another way of thinking about it. So a positive whole number. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and onward. Then when a negative number appears as an exponent, you switch the position of the base from the numerator to the denominator or from the denominator to the numerator and make the exponent positive. The sign of the base does not change, so that the sign of b would not change. It would just be the sign on the exponent. So if I had b to the negative n, that would equal 1 over b to the positive n. Or if I had 1 over b to the negative n, that would equal b to the positive n. So for example, let's say I had something like 3 to the negative 2. Using this rule of exponents, that would be equivalent to 1 over 3 to the positive 2, or 1/9. Now you could check this in your calculator if you have a number. You won't always have a number. Sometimes you'll have a variable. So if I had x to the negative 4, that would be the same as 1 over x to the positive 4. Now this second rule, if I had 1 over, let's say I have 1 over 2 to the negative 5. That would be the same as 2 to the positive 5. And you could evaluate that and get 32. In the last video, I showed how to use Desmos, desmos.com/practice, to put things in exponential form. What you would do is use this a to the b key right here. So you could put in 2, use the exponent key, and put the 5th power. Or if you wanted to put it in the fraction form, I could do 1 divided by 2, and then the exponent key, and then negative 5th power. So you can check your work that way. All right, if I had an exponent, a variable to the exponent, so let's say I had 1 over 3y to the negative 1. Now the 3 is not being raised to the negative 1, so that's actually going to stay in the denominator. The 3 will stay in the denominator, but the y to the negative 1 part will move up to the numerator and become y to the positive 1. And so that would be y over 3 as my final answer. So only the part with the negative exponent moves. If there's another part that does not have an exponent, it will stay where it is.